Come on, girls. Peppa, Queen. Queen. Hey, Queen. Hey, girl. Hey. Hey, come here, girl. Peppa. Come on, Peppa. Peppa. What's up, Kaylee? How you doing? Come on, Peppa. Come here, girl. Hey, yo, tap the screen. Peppa, come here. Come here, girl. Come on. Come on, girl. Come on. Got the cat right there, too. She depots him. I told you, look, I tell you. He's scared. Come on. Roscoe. Come here, Roscoe. Come on. Come here, Roscoe. Upsy. Come on. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. There we go. That's my boy. Here's Roscoe. So I got the chickens. And there's Lucky right there. He doesn't mess with them, so he's a good boy. Ain't that right, Lucky? Hey, Lucky. Here's Roscoe right here. He's tearing my arm up. Lucky! See, he don't mess with them. He be playing with them. He was raised. What's up, Danny? What's going on? What's up, Karen? How you doing? Come here, Roscoe. So here's my cockatiel, Roscoe. See, they be playing. Hey, don't bite my head. No, don't bite me. Everybody, tap the screen. Show me some love, guys. Tap the screen. Show me some love. Come on. Upsy. 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 Good boy. Good boy. No. 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 Hey. Hey. Okay, she's trying to get out the cage, too. Upsy. 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 Can't lose my birds. This is Roscoe. Hey, come here, buddy. Come on, Upsy, Upsy. Good boy. Hey, Queen. What's up, everybody? Tap the screen, everybody. Show me some love. How's everybody doing tonight? These are one of my smaller chickens right there. The hens. Come here, Lola. Upsy. Come on, Upsy. Upsy. She's difficult. She's still in training. She's still in training, so she's definitely still, she's about 3 months old. Okay, all right. Come here, Roscoe. I got Roscoe right here. Right here. Stay right here. Good boy, Roscoe. And that's Lola. Roscoe's good, right? Give me that boy. Give me that boy. Give me that boy. Give me that boy. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Come here, Lola. Come on. Come here, girl. Upsy. 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 Yeah, I'm still training her. Come here. Upsy. Upsy. She's being very difficult. It's gonna take some time for me to really get her to come here, girl. Come on. That's a good girl. Come here, come here. I can't let her just have her time, but let's go. Good boy. Hey, tap the screen, everybody. This is Roscoe. 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 This is my crazy cat. Hear those coyotes? Coyotes is back over there. Back in them woods. Come here. Come on, Upsy. Good boy. That's my boy. That's a good boy. You want to whistle? No? No? Hey, come on. Hey, buddy. It's my boy right here. This is Roscoe. Hey, buddy. Here, stay. You want to stay here? No, go ahead. I'm gonna cut your nails tomorrow, buddy. Go, stay right here. Come on. Where's Lola? Lola. There's Lola. Come here, girl. Nobody tap the screen? Tap the screen. Everybody tap the screen. It's BC. So all my chickens is going to the coop right now. So I got 1, 2, I got 3 out. Cat's over there using the bathroom. Look at him. That's lucky. Then I got Roscoe. Come here, boy. Come on, boy. Come on. Wanna come? Come on. I'm getting a new cage for them, too. I'm getting a big cage because she's difficult. I'm still trying to train her. Come on, Lola. Lola, come on. Come on. See, she's being difficult. I got to spend more time with her. Lola. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on. Good boy. That's my boy. Good boy. No, Lola, because you don't want to come with us. Come on now. No. There's Mr. Lucky. He's a cat dog. No, don't mess with Lola. Don't me. Hey, I'm not gonna. Hey, I'm not gonna tell you. Hey, I'm not gonna tell you again. Don't you mess with her. Get Lucky. Get your butt away from it. Get away from her. Don't you mess with her. I told you this already. Leave her alone. You know the rules. Don't mess with her. I promise you, don't mess with her, dude. You better not. You, sir, Mr. Lucky, better not. Understood? Don't mess with her. She's learning. Stand here. Go. Good boy. Me and you need to have a talk. He's like, yo, dude, you got it. If you guys scroll through, look at my videos. That's the cat that knows how to go to bed when I tell him to. So scroll through my videos, like my videos, comment, whatever you guys got to do. Just send me some hearts and love and give me the algorithm. Come on, help me out. And follow me. You follow me, I'm going to follow you back. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Please, come on. Yo, I got a farm over here. I got cats. I got one cat. He's trained. I got two beautiful cockatiel birds. I got chickens, and I'm incubating some chickens right now. Lola, come here, girl. Lola. Don't hiss at me. Yeah, I'm still. She's in training right now. I just got her. She was never handled. She kind of. No. Hold on, guys. Come here. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. You're gonna hurt yourself. Come here. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Ah, gosh. What I gotta do to get this girl? See? She has to understand. See, that's her boy right there. But she has to. No, Lola. No. Lola, be nice. Lola, be nice. Don't hiss at me. She's mean. Don't hiss. Come here. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. See, she's good now. Look. She be tripping. Ain't that right, Roscoe? Lola's a crazy girl. I don't understand Lola. Lola be tripping. Ah. You wanna tap my phone? Yeah, Lola. Stop, girl. You sweetheart. You too pretty. She don't like nobody handling her, man. She's be wilding. I'm like, yo, she like, what, 3 months, going on 3 months, like 3 months old? Lola. Lola. That's Lola. And this is Roscoe. He's my boy. So he's definitely trained. Like, I'm going to free range him in a little bit, like, let him fly, come back. But in this area where I'm at, see, it's so open. I'm afraid that them big birds will get him, so I'm not going to do it. I have to have a leash on him. Huh? Definitely no. She'll fly away and she'll be gone. The real Delilah. Oh, don't wonder. I'm trying to figure out who. Oh, my God. Dee Dee! I didn't even know you was on, bro. That's crazy. I'm over here just messing with my damn birds. I was trying to figure out who sent me all them damn hearts. Hey, don't hiss. Don't hiss. What's going on with you? Oh, my gosh. You keep changing your name on TikTok. It's crazy. I didn't even know that was you until I looked at it. I'm like, what? What? I didn't have my glasses on. Lucky! Lucky's like, oh, well. Don't bite my ear, dude. I got one dude biting my ear. It's crazy. So she's going to be good, man. I'm going to do this to her every day. I'm going to force her to love me. She has no choice. Okay, my fingers are tired. You need to get the freaking thing. Yo, this dude is biting my freaking ear. This is crazy. Yo, he be messing with me, y'all. Promise you. Yo, dude, I can't even do anything. This dude is stupid. Yo, his name is Roscoe. He's over here just biting my freaking ear. The tapper. I got one off a TikTok shop a long time ago. I used it today a little bit. Just to send people some love. I'm putting her in the cage. Go ahead, Lola. No. Come here, girl. Come on. No, because Lucky's right there. See? You're not too far away from a master plan. Because, come on. No, upsy. Good girl. No. Good girl. Let's be nice. Stop. Be nice. Be nice, girl, okay? You so pretty to be mean. Stop. You want to whistle for me? She don't do it now. See how mad she is? Look at her broom. See? She's mad. She's so angry. For what? Stop being a bad girl. Yo, she is so mad right now. She don't like to be picked up at all. She hates it. Look at her. Yo, she's mad. Yo, I got him. Roscoe's biting. Yo, guys, if you got, yeah, she is pretty. She is pretty. Her name is Lola, but she. Yo, this bird is a retarded. Like, stop, Lola. Be nice.